Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting updates in the EV luxury SUV space, the 2026 Cadillac Optiq. And trust me, Cadillac just shook things up big time. So, here's the big story. Cadillac has completely reworked the Optiq lineup for 2026. Every single trim gets a power upgrade, and there's even a brand new RWD base model. Let me break it down. The rear-wheel drive Optiq now makes 315 horsepower. That's already more powerful than last year's dual-motor setup, which had only 300 horsepower. If you step up to the dual-motor AWD version, you're looking at a serious jump, 440 horsepower. That's almost a 50% increase over last year's configuration. And then there's the Optiq-V, the brand new performance model. This one packs 519 horsepower from its dual-motor setup. This is Cadillac saying, hey, we can play in the EV performance league too. Now, horsepower is fun, but what about range? Cadillac has tweaked those numbers as well. The RWD base model is estimated at 300 miles per charge. The AWD dual motor trims should get around 280 miles. And the Optiq-V, even with all that power, is expected to deliver about 275 miles. So yeah, you sacrifice a little range with more power, but honestly, these are still solid numbers for a luxury EV in 2026. This part surprised me. Cadillac actually made the Optiq lineup a little more accessible. The new RWD base model starts at $52,395, which is less expensive than last year's base. If you want AWD, it's a $3,500 upgrade across trims except the V, which comes standard with AWD. So not only do you get more power, you're also paying less to get in the door. That's a win-win. Honestly, I think Cadillac nailed it here. The 315 horsepower RWD version is going to appeal to buyers who want luxury with good range and a lower starting price. The 440 horsepower AWD model, that's for people who want performance and all-weather traction. And the Optiq-V is Cadillac flexing muscle, going head-to-head with performance EVs like the BMW iX M60 or Tesla Model Y Performance. The only thing I'm curious about is real-world efficiency. Range estimates look great on paper, but we'll need to see how the Optiq performs on highways with AWD engaged or when pushing that V model hard. Still, on first impression, Cadillac really leveled up this SUV. Cadillac is clearly serious about making the Optiq a cornerstone in its EV future. And honestly, I think they're on the right track. That's my breakdown of the 2026 Cadillac Optiq. What do you think? Would you go for the RWD, the AWD, or the full-blown Optiq-V? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And hey, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car reviews and breakdowns.